telling my wife I'm going to sleep in the car to get her reaction.
You gonna what?
Sleep in the car tonight.
You gonna sleep in the car tonight?
Yeah.
Why would you sleep in the car?
I need some time to think.
Think about what?
Life.
You can't think over here? All this thinking space over here, you can't think over here?
Actually, I'm gonna take the sheet.
No. Taking my damn cover outside so it can smell like outside.
You have the bed to yourself.
What?
You have the bed to yourself.
So why you going in the car?
I just need some time to think.
Think about what? What you think about?
Don't worry about it.
What you think about?
I come in peace. I'm just gonna take the pillow.
Why?
Take a sheet. Got my keys already. Don't worry about it.
Well, if you gonna sleep in the car, then you can sleep in the car with your stuff, with the stuff that's in your car.
What stuff?
The stuff that's in your car.
What stuff?
Exactly. What you sleep in the car for? You got the couch over there. You